I'm Jim Glessner, president of GST International. We're here at downtown Reno working at the Lake Street Bridge with Sierra Nevada Construction. The purpose of using the elephant armor product on this project is we don't have to deconstruct and reconstruct the bridge. We can simply encapsulate the failed substrate without removing and replacing the product at a much lower cost and a much faster time frame for the city, saving the money, opening it up very quickly. Elephant armor is a very unique technology. It's called polyvinyl alcohol engineered ductile mortar. It's actually a bendable concrete. It allows massive movement without failure, where all other mortars typically will take movement, can catastrophically fail. So we can encapsulate with a very thin amount of this material and make it structural again and give it a brand new life cycle, again, without deconstructing and reconstructing a surface. So one of the reasons we're actually doing this work early in the morning is elephant armor is an exothermic product like most mortars. It's susceptible to heat and sun. It cures fast in that environment. So working in the morning allows us a lot more working time to place material and finish material and gives the workers the ability to finish it perfectly without worrying about the sun cooking the product and causing problems with it setting too fast. The process here on this deck was, as always, prep the surface properly, get it clean, get it dry. Next step would be they put a primer down. Once the primer is down and cured, the product is then mixed to a consistency that's pre-designated, highly flowable. And instead of using traditional methods of placement, bull floats and trowels, we're using rollers because the material acts differently than most other materials. It's a high fiber material, a very specific kind of fiber that actually allows a molecular bond to the cement paste as it's being placed. Once the product is rolled out at a specific gauge at 1/4 inch, they'll come behind it with what's called a magic trowel. Looks like a squeegee. They make it nice and flat. After that, within 10 or 15 minutes, they put a broom finish on it, and voila, the bridge deck is done. Typically, this would take several days to deconstruct and reconstruct the sidewalks. In this case, it'll take approximately 3 hours start to finish. So you can tell from a time standpoint, it's much quicker and much more cost effective with minimal impact on your environment. This repair was completed and returned to service in just 3 hours, saving the city weeks of time, money, and significantly reducing the environmental impact and disruption to traffic. Please tap like and subscribe, and of course your comments are always welcome.